Alabama Power, they got their money cut out for them. Getting on that big lot. That's where that daycare was. Oh my God. That's where Full Moon was. It took it completely out. Big lots is totally gone. Oh my God. Look at that. Wiped it out. Oh my God. Look at all those houses. Can you turn down that road? Look at that. I don't know if there's anybody in those cars. Oh, there go little people that didn't get it. The daycare center. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus.
Recruiting place over there.
All them people in them little houses there. That's where Big Lot was, right there. It's totally gone. Look at that. Jesus.
Nobody in there.
I'm sure somebody was in there shopping and stuff. Look at that. Oh my God.
All this fence up.
The truck. I can't get this. I'm getting some of it.